Come test drive this 2005 Toyota Sequoia. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as power front seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, rear wipers, and power windows. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.